Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 7. Today we will present about orders. We are hoping that you can follow our presentation and it will help to increase your knowledge about orders. Let me introduce Group 7 members. 1. Fakira Sabrina, 2. Putri Kalista, 3. Rizka Darlia, 4. Rosalina Ramadini, 5. Syala Puspita, 6. Yohana Lastri. Okay, next part of the content in presentation. 1. Introduction. 2. Example of order letter expression. 3. Part of the order letter. 4. Example of order letter. 5. Exercise about order letter. And last, conclusion. What is definition order letter? Order letter is document or letter that confirms the detail of a purchase of goods or service from one party to another. Example, when we buy some product in company, we must send an order letter to request that product, and when that receipt in that company receive this letter, they will process the order and send the product. The purpose of an order letter is to 1. Initiate a business transaction, 2. Provide all the necessary information for the supplier to fulfill the buyer request, 3. Serve as an official record of the transaction. Order letter are important for various reasons, including 1. Documentation and record keeping. Order letters serve as documentation for future reference, helping to keep track of transaction and maintaining accurate records for both buyers and sellers. 2. Clear communication. Order letter provide a clear and formal means of communication the details of a transaction, ensuring that both parties understand the terms and conditions. 3. Legal recognition. A letter of ordering goods creates a formal receipt for a transaction which holds legal recognition.
Okay, the next one is example of order letter or placing order expressions. The first one is opening paragraph. The expression often used in the opening paragraph of the order letter are: we acknowledge receipt of your letter dated, and we are pleased to confirm our order for the specified goods. Your quotation or letter of has been received with gratitude, and we would like to proceed by placing an order for the mentioned goods. Your letter dated is acknowledged, and as the prices quoted are satisfactory, kindly proceed to deliver the following goods at your earliest convenience. For the next part is describing method of payment. Upon receipt of your pro forma invoice, we will initiate payment through a banker's transfer. And the next one is a letter of credit will be opened promptly upon receiving your pro forma invoice. And the last one is payment for the goods will be made via banker's transfer within 20 days from the date of delivery. The last one is closing paragraph. The expressions often used in closing paragraph of the order letter are: your prompt delivery would be greatly appreciated considering the urgent need for these goods. Next one is we eagerly anticipate receiving your delivery confirmation at your earliest convenience. And the last one is kindly acknowledge this order and confirm your ability to deliver the goods by the end of this year.
Okay, the picture base is the content of the part of the letter and what the are for. I will briefly explain what the part of the letter are for. And 1. Sender and destination. Identify who sent the letter and to whom the letter is addressed. 2. Date. Mention the date of writing the letter for time reference. And 3. Greeting. Open the letter with a greeting or polite expression. And 4. Opening. Introduce the purpose of writing the letter concealed. and main contents detailing the information, ideas, or intent of the letter, and closing summarizes the main points of the letter and perhaps mention next step and selection and signature and the letter with a goodbye and the sender signature and attachment or if any mention the attachment or document attached to the letter and sender address or an envelope. Provide complete sender address for return correspondence. And next, postscript or if necessary. Edit additional information after the conclusion. It's okay, then my colleague will explain in more the detail the parts of the letter. Thank you. Next.
Okay, next we have example of order letter or placing order. First, we have letterhead. In the letterhead, we have an information about institution name and the address. In this letter, the institution name is Aliran High School and the address is Maharaja Street, Bandung. Next, we have date of letter, which is like when the letter was made. In this letter, the letter was made in 7 September 2023. Next, there is letter recipient, like to who the letter was made. In this letter, the letter was made for Mr. Rohini Ahmad. Next, there is subject of letter. In this letter, the subject is supply of textbook, notebooks, and stationery item. Next, there is opening section, which is in this letter. The opening start with dear Mr. Rohini. We are obligated to your question or letter of for September 2023 and should be glad if you would accept our order for the following dates. Next, we have content section. In content section, there is contains order item like what did they order and how much did they order. Next, there is concluding part. In this letter, the concluding part have information about payment method and delivery card, which is the concluding sentence is we shall pay for the cards by bank transfer within 20 days from the date of delivery. Please kindly acknowledge this order and confirm that you will be able to deliver the cards. And the letter was end with a signature from the sender with the sender name.
Okay, now we move on to the practice questions. Here I have prepared sample questions related to orders. In this letter, the Aditya Public School Company sends an order letter regarding the items in the table. In his letter, he said that the price was reasonable and the manager of the book manufacturer promised delivery within 7 working days. The buyer had enclosed a check as an advance payment for the order. After reading the order letter, let's try to answer some questions related to the contents of the letter. First question. What does we in paragraph 1 refer to? The answer is we in paragraph 1 refer to Aditya Public School. Next question. What does your in paragraph 1 refer to? The answer is your in paragraph 1 refer to Mr. Jackson letter. Next question. How will they pay for the goods as an advance? Okay, the answer is they will pay for the goods with a check that they attach in the letter. Next question. What did the manager promise? Okay, the answer is the manager promised to deliver all the books within 7 working days. Okay, the last question. What did they attach with the letter? Okay, the answer is they attach a check to the letter. Who answered all them correctly? If you did, it means you have understood the order letter well. Okay, let's move on to the last part.
Last one is conclusion. So, order letter or placing order is a document or letter that confirms the detail of purchase of goods or service from one party to another. This letter is written by the person or company who submitted the purchase request from another company. The order letter aims to provide all the necessary information for the supplier to fulfill the buyer request. In addition, this letter plays an important role in business communication that facilitates the smooth process transaction between the parties involved. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for the attention.